Congratulations, Nancy Joe. Now what else we have for you? We also have... We...
My name's Melissa Colby.
I'm sorry?
It's Melissa Colby.
I'm sorry. There's been kind of a mistake. I'm really sorry about that. We are not going to be able to give you these tickets. These tickets are for Nancy Joe.
What kind of sick joke is this?
What we do have for you is an absolutely brand spanking new in-tune keychain. Double-sided, as you can see. We hope that you enjoy this keychain, and please go and buy an In-Tune album today.
I have an album!
Keeping it rockin'!
Do you know how hard it is to be me? I'm 14 years old and nobody likes me! I'm never gonna get a boyfriend!
You're watching BBTV.